The CleanCarburetor GumBuster Kit offers a practical way to revive stubborn small engines by cleaning the carburetor from the inside without tearing anything apart. Its purge valve replaces the standard bowl screw, letting you inject cleaner directly where varnish and gum usually clog things up. In real use, the pressurized GumBuster solution breaks down old fuel deposits in only a few minutes, so many engines that would not start suddenly come back to life. Because you do not need to remove or rebuild the carburetor, this kit can save a lot of time compared with a full teardown, and is far less intimidating for casual users. The all-in-one package, with both the valve and cleaner, makes it easy to keep on hand for mowers, generators, snowblowers, and other seasonal equipment that tends to sit with stale fuel. Tutorial videos from the manufacturer further simplify the process, so even someone new to small engine maintenance can follow along confidently and get reliable results.